Okay, welcome back. Let's continue with our presentation with our class today. Before we left, we are on data representation. How is data represented? So previously we had talked about the state is only one, the either on or off. Okay, which we said data is represented in a binary form. Okay, so what is a byte? Okay, so a byte here we are saying is a group of 8 bits grouped together as a unit. 8 bits brought together as a unit, they form a byte. Okay, so 8 bits grouped together as a unit are called a byte. A byte represents a single character in the computer. Every byte represents a single character in a computer. So that is how data is represented in our computer. Okay. So look for example here. It is the state is either on or off, 1 or 0. An electronic charge, it can be charging or not charging. Then it can be in a state that is on or off. Take an example of your socket. Your socket can either be on or off. Okay, your switch can be either on or off. So if you're going to charge your computer and you plugged in the cable, you either put the socket on, or you leave it off. When you put it on, it will charge. When you leave it off, it will not give you any charge. So for example here, look, 0 is off. Yes, 0, that is the state is off. 1, it is on. 1, it is on. 0, it is off. 0, it is off. 1 is off, is on, and 1 is on. So that is how the computer represents. Okay, its data. It can either be 0 0, on 0 on, 0 on, or 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, or it can be 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Off, on, off, 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 on, off, off. That is a state of data representation. Okay, so for example here we are saying American Standard. Okay, this is the American Standard, the Code of Information Interchange. Okay, so we're saying is the most widely used coding scheme to represent the data. So the American code standard is, can say 0011 0000, which gives a symbol as 0. Yes, like that. So this is the American coding. We can go through the binary codes and we see what they represent. Okay, so for example, for 1 we shall have 0011 0001. It gives us 1. The state is on. But for the first one, the state is off. Okay, so on and so forth. All the characters represented on our keyboards are in this form, the binary form. Okay, so our computer receives data in a binary form, so that it processes it and it gives the interpretation as the output. So data can also be represented in a binary form or in other states, on or off. So how is a letter converted to binary from and back? Okay, for example, we are always working with our keyboards. We type on our keyboards, but we don't know how does the letter travel, how does it go, in which state is it? Okay, So for example, we have our keyboard here. Our step 1 is the user presses the capital D, or the button or the letter D on the keyboard. So that key is, I mean that letter is a signal sent somewhere. So step 2 is an electronic signal for the capital letter D is sent to the systems unit. So remember, we have our keyboard, if we're using desktop computers, is just connected on our computer as a peripheral. When we type, there is that transmission of the signal, that electronic signal that takes it to the systems unit. So step 3 is this letter, capital D, is transmitted to the capital D, I mean to the systems unit. So we're saying the signal for the capital letter D is excuse me, is converted to the other American standard in binary code, which is 01000100, and is stored in the memory for processing. So it is transmitted as an electric signal into the systems unit, and it is stored temporarily there, waiting for the processor to come and pick it, to process or translate it. Then our last step is step 4, where after processing the binary code for the letter we have given the computer, for example here, this binary code here, after processing it, so the letter D is converted to an image, okay, to an image form, and displayed on our computers as the output on our screen. Okay, so that is the state in which data, I mean that is how data is transmitted from the computer, input device. It is processed. From being processed, it is displayed as an output. Okay, so our key points we said in data in computer processing, I mean using computers, we said data is input, processed, stored, and displayed on the screen as the output. Okay, so the output is information we give computers, what we are calling data. Okay, raw materials. So thank you guys for attending our today's lecture. Let's meet next time, and thank you for watching, guys. This has been computer introduction to components of the computer. Okay, so we are talking about computer components. We have looked at very many components in the computer that make up our computer. We have looked at the hardware, we have looked at the software, we have looked at the user or the humanware, so on and so forth. So let's keep subscribing to this channel. We learn together. We learn together. We know we may not be all that perfect, but we are going to keep improving time and again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for loving us, and we shall keep together. We promise we shall keep together. We shall provide whatever content we feel we can talk about on our YouTube channel. So always be there. We discuss together. Thank you for watching. I've been your friend Alinaitwe Mukonyezi. I'm based in Uganda. Please, those who have never reached Uganda, come and visit Uganda. Come and visit the Pearl of Africa. We are very fine. We have good hospitality in our country. People love visitors. Okay, so we love visitors. Come and watch different creatures that God put in Africa. Come and visit us. So we have big mountains. We have different animal species. We have different bird species. We have all that you need to see on this earth. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing. I love you guys. I'll be your friend. Thank you for being my friend. And keep yourself safe. Stay at home. Let's not take COVID-19. Let's not see coronavirus as something to play around with. Okay? Together we can whip out COVID-19 from our countries. Thank you for loving us. Keep subscribing. See you guys. Thank you for loving me. I wish you well. Let's meet in the next tutorials that we are going to make. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing. I love you guys. Bye bye.